Hello everyone, I Rakshita. Now I'll be presenting on the topic industrial market segmentation. Let's see the meaning of industrial market segmentation. Meaning: market segmentation is a process of dividing the market of potential customer into different groups and segments on the basis of certain characteristics. The member of these group shares similar characteristics and usually have one or more than one aspect common among them. Industrial market segmentation is a scheme for categorizing industrial and business customers to guide strategic and tactical decision making. Industrial market segmentation is important in sales and marketing. Most business creates their own segmentation scheme to meet their particular needs. Industrial market segmentation is important in sales and marketing. Totally, industrial market segmentation is the process of separating an industrial market into group of customers or prospects. Basis for industrial market segmentation. Following bases are used for segmenting industrial markets. In that, first one is geographic base. Company needs to perform tasks differently to treat customers residing in different geographical regions. On the basis of geographical basis, industrial buyers can be segmented into following segments. First one, distance. On the basis of distance, it can be classified as local market, regional, domestic market and international market. Second one is location of industrial unit, rural and urban customers, area and climate. Area specific segmentation considers place specific bases such as hilly, desert, valley, plains, etc. While climate based classification includes segmenting market on the basis of level and intensity of humidity, heat, cold, rains, etc. Different buyers located at different places need to be treated differently. Separate program must be prepared for each of these groups. Now let's move on to the second point, that is type of industry. Companies' products are used in different industries. Relevant industries should be considered for segmenting market and as per suitability. One or more industrial can be scheduled as the target market to be served. Possible segment includes auto industry, IT industry, chemical industry, FMCG industry, that is fast moving consumer goods, textile industry, iron and steel industry, cement industry, engineering industry, agro industry, service industry, etc. As per company's product, it selects one or more relevant industry customer and formulates appropriate marketing mix for each of the segment. Third one, types of business operation. It is a third basis for industrial market segmentation. Industrial unit perform different activities, each of them different in terms of their nature of activities or operations and requirement. We can classify industrial customers into several segments such as manufacturing unit, assembling unit, processing unit, distributing units, retailing business, consultancies and service unit, etc. Some products are commonly used for different business operations. Companies dealing with these products can supply or sell to different customers. Different marketing strategies are necessary as these customers elicit different response patterns. Next, fourth one, consumption rates or size. On the basis of order, size, and or annual consumption, industrial buyers can be segmented in certain distinct groups. Size-based segmentation include heavy users, medium users, light users. A company can select suitable one or more customer group as target market. Particularly, price and promotion strategies must be designed differently to meet expectations of verified groups. Fifth one, ownership factor. Ownership exhibits different response. A firm need to treat them differently. A company can select one or more customers to serve. It leads to the following segments, that is sole proprietary firm and partnership firm, private companies, public companies and public sector unit, government as a customer, corporation, defense department, cooperative societies, community organization, religious and missionary organization. Sixth one, buying method. Industrial buyers purchase products on different ways. Every method requires different treatment. It can be segmented on following basis, that is tender or sealed bid buying units, service contact customers, leasing customers, buying through approved agencies, direct purchasing unit, etc. In terms of formality, timing of ordering and executing profit margin and overall procedures to be followed. Based on methods, industrial market can be classified on the above. And next one is seventh one, that is ordering time or frequency. Taking ordering time and buying frequency as the basis, industrial markets can be classified into several segments, such as annual customers, that is they put a large order and buy all quantity at a time. Second one is regular customers, they buy regularly only from the particular firms. Third one is occasional customers, they buy company's product occasionally. Frequent and infrequent customer, frequent customers buy more frequently, infrequent customers are irregular in their buying pattern. They may be or may not buy and are difficult to be predicted. And eighth one is payment mode and time. Industrial customers follow different modes of payment. They also take short or long time to pay their bills. Main segments are cash purchasing buyers, credit purchasing buyers, partial credit purchasing buyers, fully trusted versus partially trusted buyers, full at a time paying customers, gradual or installment paying customers, short term and long term credit buyers, etc. Suitable marketing program should be prepared to deal with these groups of buyers. Particularly, pricing policies are more relevant for this segmentation. Ninth one, legal customers. Legal or authenticity aspects can be relevant base to some companies for segmenting total market. The firm is directed to sell its product only to some agencies approved by the government. Marketing strategies for legal and illegal customers seems quite different. Legal customers. These customers are free to use any quantity without any restrictions. Restricted customers. These are permitted up to certain limit. They cannot buy more quantity beyond the specified limit. Illegal customer. The law puts ban on these customers. They cannot legally buy, whole use or resell some product. But due to some reason, it has to transact with illegal customers who have been restricted by the law to buy, whole or use some product. Company can earn more profits by dealing with unauthorized customers. Marketing strategies for legal and illegal customers seems quite different. And last 10th one, that is other bases. Apart from these bases, some minor behavioral bases are also used for segmenting industrial market. Some of them include occasions, user status, loyalty pattern, benefits expected, attitude, etc. And the conclusion, these are main bases for segmenting industrial market. Besides, almost all based used to segment consumer markets are equally applicable to segment industries market. Industrial market segmentation is a scheme for categorizing industrial and business customers to guide strategic and tactical decision making. Government agencies and industrial associations use standardized segmentation schemes for statistical surveys. Most businesses create their own segmentation scheme to meet their particular needs. Customer characteristics that relate to some important difference in customer response to marketing effort. Measurability. Otherwise, the scheme will not be operational. According to Webster, while this would be an absolute ideal, its implementation can be next to impossible in some market. The first barrier is it often necessitated field research, which is expensive and time consuming.